Hey guys, just want to share the two runs from the Champ Tour Day 2. This is runs 2 and run 3, so you can ignore what it says on the screen. But thought I would just kind of walk through really quick what I picked up on run 2 to kind of make run 3 better, which ended up being my fastest run of the day. So at the start here, I'm saving my shift for the hairpin that's going to come up, which maybe wasn't like the best move after trying it out. But I leave it in first gear this whole time, and I end up switching my shifting zone after this run. But you'll see that I'm kind of doing too much stuff at once in this first hairpin that comes right here on the map. The rest of the run was okay. I guess I got a little bit too hard on it coming out of that hairpin, and you can hear a lot of wheel spin. I'm still learning to modulate the rear wheel drive a little bit better. But the rest of the run, I guess, was okay, so just hit play on it. So here, first gear is almost topping out, so I'm starting to think I should have shifted back there. Took that too deep. A lot of wheel spin. So I was trying to take deep and get on the accelerator early. Gas there at the end. So for this run, in between this cone here and this next one, there's a little bit of a straightaway that connects these two elements to the next element that follows. So I changed my shift point to right here, which I thought in the run 2, I didn't think I'd have enough time to do it. But after doing run 1 and run 2, I thought I could sneak the shift in there, keep the car flat and balanced, and then take the next thing, which worked out really well. Take the turnaround a little bit smoother, I think, this time, because I'm not trying to do too much at once. The second turnaround up here, I think I did that one better because basically I just tried dive bombing it, braking late, but getting on the accelerator halfway through the turn, which you can hear pretty obviously in this run happens. And then the turn at the finish, just taking that a little bit smoother than I did before. So here we go. There's the shift zone. Get this a little bit wider. Not so much gas to break the wheels loose. Pop it here, brake, back on the throttle. Slowed down a little bit more for this and just held it tight. Let's try to get to it sooner rather than hitting the gas and breaking the rear wheels out, which seemed to be pretty successful. So it was a good run. I mean, PAX time wasn't great compared to everybody. It was maybe top 25% of the entire list of participants, but only car in F, so, you know, got a national trophy out of it, which I'll take. Just want to thank the sponsor for the Camaro this season, which is Pulstar, spark plug company. Been using their plugs in the Audi TT for a couple years now. Really happy with them. They sponsored the Camaro this year. gave me a set of plugs, so I ran those for this event, and I'll be running those for the rest of the year. So big thanks to them. But if you have any questions or comments or any areas for improvement, let me know. Much appreciated.